Welcome to my YouTube channel, everyone. Today, I would like to first of all thank all of us who have subscribed to the channel, and a massive thanks to all the support I receive. We just hit 100 subscribers. Those in the Telegram group, you are already aware of this. I made it public there. I just want to thank you guys all for all the support, the comments, the positive criticisms, as I can say, and all the feedback that I've been receiving. I really appreciate it, guys. And the next target is to reach 200 subscribers in the next month. So every month we increase by 200. So I really want to thank you guys once again, and thank you for all the support. Sorry, I've not been consistent with uploading videos. I've been working on strategies, which one of them is the one which I'll share with you guys today, and it's on corners. Okay, football corners. This is not sports arbitrage or anything about sports arbitrage. This is just simply betting. I know some of you don't have money for sports arbitrage. Some of you don't have access to enough funds and all those things that you need for sports arbitrage. But this is what I do in addition to sports arbitrage. Okay, so I will be sharing with you the strategy I use. It works 90%. 90% of the time it works if you follow what I will be saying. So I advise you, do not skip the video, because if you skip it, you will miss out, because there are a lot of things I will be saying here. If you skip the video, you will miss out, and I don't want you guys to miss out. I want you guys to make money as well. So what we'll be focusing on is on corners. I guess we are all aware what corners are in sports arbitrage. In normal betting, I guess we know what corners are. And just to clear things out, we'll be using overs and unders in corners, but we'll be checking the market to see which market is profitable. Okay, so before we get started, I just wish to show you guys the strategy, how the strategy has been working for me. I've been making money online with it. Minimum is around 10k per day, and yeah, it's something that I've been doing for some time now. So minimum that I've been making in a day is around 10k. Let me just show you guys how much I've been making so that you are aware that it works. Okay, this is the bet I no this is the one for today. Let me look for corners. Okay, so this is a game I played yesterday for corners. These two matches. Okay, over 7.5 corners, and I made around 15,000 yesterday just from playing the corners and analyzing the market, and yeah, all that fun stuff. So just from doing that, I was able to make that amount of money. Okay, this is another one. It's another game here, Atletico. This one won over 5 corners. Over, yeah. So guys, it is something I advise you guys to join. This is that of Villarreal, Valencia. This one also won. So it is something that works, guys. These other ones you see lost here are just normal sports arbitrage we do. Those in a Telegram channel, you know what sports arbitrage is all about. So yeah, so this strategy works, guys. There's another one which I'm currently working on, is on ice hockey, but that one will be later. I will drop that one later for you guys. So the strategy is, simply put it this way: we will be analyzing the market of matches which will be going on. Simply say, we will be making use of different bookies to check the prices and the market and know which one is profitable. So we'll be using a bit of ideas from sports arbitrage. Okay, like we know in sports arbitrage there are bookies who change their odds fast, there are ones who don't change their odds fast, hot and cold bookies. Okay, so we'll be making use of that, but it's not sports arbitrage. Okay, so what we'll be doing is we'll be checking the market on different bookies, and the bookies I use is BetWGB. This is where I place most of my bets, on BetWGB. Marybet, we'll be using Marybet as well. BetWGB will be using Marybet, and we're using Marybet as well. Let me log out. We're using maybe bet as well, and access bet. Okay, bet WGB, maybe bet, access bet. This is access bet. So if you don't have accounts, you can create them. Or if you don't want to create them, it's fine. You don't need to create them to use it. And we'll be using Frapper bet. Frapper, just Frapper. This is a new bookie. It's really nice, guys. We're using Frapper, and to use an example, since I would have done the video on a game I won on, but those markets are not still available, so I'll be using this one which plays tomorrow, and this is Bournemouth Chelsea, the Chelsea match. So one of the things you need to first of all analyze is the teams that you'll be using. Personally, I personally make use of, I play most of these corners on Spanish league, that is La Liga, because they have a high corner level. They give a lot of corners. There are times that the corners which is up to 15, up to 17 in a match. And also you need to be aware of the matches you select. So the next thing is that the first thing you need to be aware of, you need to be aware of the league you are choosing. You can use any league, but the ones I personally use is La Liga. Okay, and the other one I'm testing out currently now is on Premier League, because of the situation now in the Premier League. Is the end of the season, everybody's trying to win, so that's why I'm after using Premier League. And another thing you need to be aware of is that you need to make you need to be aware of the team news. Like when I say team news, it's just something around, what is going on in the team. Okay, you need to be aware of something, how the team is, what are their positions on the league, or stuff like that. Some you can use access bet to check that. Maybe they are, how long have they been winning, which matches have they won, stuff like that. So just to be aware of their positions on the league. Okay, as you can see here, Bournemouth is currently on the 13th position. Okay, this Bournemouth, their position is 13. They have 39 points. Okay, and you can see also here Chelsea. You can see Chelsea here. Chelsea is no different. So this Chelsea here, position 12 and points 39. They have the same points. Okay, and you can see here their previous 5 matches. Okay, this is that for Bournemouth and this is that for Chelsea. So you can see here that Bournemouth has won their last 4 matches and Chelsea have lost their last 4 and drawn 1. So be aware of the statistics because it will come in handy. Okay, so what we'll be using now, we know that this is a match which will be intense. Simply why? Because of the history of Chelsea. Chelsea has been losing matches, and we definitely know that Chelsea will want to start winning matches. They will do as much as possible to start winning matches. So they will play an attacking football. They will not try to hold back, because Chelsea is a big team, yeah. So they will try as much as possible to play an attacking football. And also another thing you need to be aware of is the style of play in the team. If it's a team which plays balls, if they play center football, that is, they just play football in the center of the field, they don't play through the wing football, I suggest you don't use them. Teams like Atletico Madrid, Real Sociedad, those teams, they mostly play centered football, and not only centered football but possession football. That is, they like to control the ball a lot. Something like Barcelona when they were playing tiki-taka. Now Barcelona does not still play tiki-taka, so you need to also be aware of that. So Bournemouth plays a lot of counter attacks, so be aware of that. Bournemouth plays counter attacks, and they also play wing football, the same with Chelsea. Chelsea plays possession, but it's around the wing, so there's a high probability that the corners will come out. Okay, so now to the interesting part of actually analyzing this stuff. Okay, so personally I'll be using bet GB as my bookie of preference where I will place the bet. Okay, I will use BetWGB because their odds are great, and also the payout is very fast. Okay, payout is very fast. Let me go to that Chelsea match real quick for you guys. The payouts are very fast on BetWGB, even though the customer support is not so great currently now. So this is the Bournemouth Chelsea match. Okay, it's tomorrow, Saturday. So I come to corners. Okay, I'm not interested in winning big. Okay, so what I'm interested in is in compound interest, gradually grow my earnings. Okay, gradually grow my earnings. So currently here you can see we'll be using total corners. Okay, so as you can see here currently we'll be using this. This is what we'll be using. Okay, this where I've selected, this is what we'll be using. So what you need to be aware of is to look at this over here, the lowest over. You look at the lowest over. What is the lowest over in this match? Is 7.5. The lowest over in this match is 7.5. Okay, let me show you guys real quick. The lowest over in this match, pay attention here. The lowest over in this match is 7.5. Okay, forget about the odds here. What we want is for our money to grow. We are not interested in making big money at once. That's my idea. It's 7.5. This is the lowest over. 7.5 here. Okay, 7.5 over is 1.26. It's fine for me. Okay, so what I'll be looking is I'll be making use of that 7.5 and checking them on other bookies. Okay, if they have a higher odd or if they have a lower odd. Okay, and I'll be placing my bet on one which has the highest odd with 7.5. Okay, I don't like going higher. Okay, so here is 7.5 and the odd here is 1.26 on BetWGB. So let's check access bet. Okay, let's go to access bet and check what it's saying on access bet, because the bookies differ on what they think will be the outcome of the corners. Okay, so we go to that match and we take here and we see here that this here actually starts from 8.5. Okay, it starts from 8.5, which is actually amazing. This is what we are looking for. Actually, you can see here it starts from 8.5. Okay, it starts from 8.5 here, 8.5. Okay, so we know that we are on the right track. Okay, let's check Marybet and see what goes on there on Marybet. Okay, if they have 7.5, because personally I like playing the unders, the lowest over, so that no matter what I win my money. I don't like taking a lot of risks, even though this one is risky, but it's calculated risks. Okay, this same match on Marybet, you can see here it has an over of 8.5. Change this color, an over of 8.5 here, 8.5, which is still amazing. Still amazing. It's still amazing, guys. So 8.5 here. So let's check the last side, Frapper. Let's check Frapper. Sometime I've been using Frapper because Frapper is also nice, and yeah, there's a lot of benefits when you use Frapper. So let's check the corners of that same match. Wow. As you can see here, this one even starts from 9.5. So there's a lot of certainty that in this game, this is, let me show you guys, this is the 9.5. So you can see here over 9.5. So as you can see, there's a lot of certainty in this game that the bookies believe. All the bookies have shown here. You can see that it's only BetWGB that has an over of 7.5. The rest are 8.5 and 9.5. As you can see, this is even more reassuring that our bet will win. Simply why? Because of the way the bookies think. They think that it will be over it will be over 9.5 here, Marybet over 8.5, and the others. So if we are playing at 7.5, there we are almost, I would say almost guaranteed that we will win. Okay. And another thing is just to clarify any doubts. Okay, if you are doubtful if that 7.5 will reach, let me show you something real quick on BetWGB. Don't only look at the total overs and unders, but also look at the multi corners. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, just to reassure you that this thing works. I'm not saying that you will not lose money. Yeah, there are 1 or 2 times you will lose money, but you make more than you lose. Okay, so let's go back to those corners. Okay, yeah, it's still 7.5 here, right? So take for example something like this. This is where I want you guys to be reassured. Look here, it says under 8.5. okay, you see here, corner range. The corner range here, see, the corner range here is under 8.5. okay, under 8.5. Then if you check on the last side here, what you see here is over 11.5. Look at these two odds. They both have an odd of 2.65. So no matter what, we know that we'll have under 8.5 means there will be 8.5, and the reassuring part is that there will be over 11.5 corners. Okay, this is the corner range that they are thinking will happen, which is the lowest odds here. Okay, so just to add again, for those of you who are doubting Thomas, okay, look at the home corners. Okay, let's just say these home corners, this is the lowest odd here, 2.8. okay, let's just say 2.8 is here. Let me select highlight that, say 2.8 is here. Okay, then the away corners here is over 6.5. so let's just say they score 3 corners here, they score 3 corners here, and then this Chelsea scores just 6 corners. Okay, that is 3 plus 6, that is already 9 corners, which is already more than enough for us to make our money. So guys, this is something you can try. I'm not saying you should do it, but if you are interested in making more money, not only from sports arbitrage and all those things, you should also try this one as well, guys. So thanks for watching the video. Let me know in the comment section what you think, any suggestions you want to see, any things you want me to add on it. And if this video gets some response, a good response, I will be dropping another video on an update on the basketball strategy that I've done a video on already on the channel for you guys to know more about it, because some things have changed. Okay, so if this video gets some I would say some huge response from you guys, I will be able to I will know that you guys are interested in what I'm doing, because there's no need doing videos when you guys don't like them, or you're not interested, or it's not what you are looking for. So I want to do videos that you guys will like and you guys will respond positively to it. Okay, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. You can join the Telegram group. We have active users in a Telegram group. It's all about making money online, so there's a family there waiting for you. So join us in the description and see you there. Thanks.